Hey, what's going on? This is your girl Tony doing this quick video. I want to show you how to transfer funds from your DOSH app, the money that you've made, right into your bank account. So we're going to get started real quick. I'm going to go here and open up the app. Right there, the DOSH. We'll wait for that to load. All right, and as you see, that has loaded. And if you look up here in the top right hand corner, you'll see where I have $35 right by that wallet. So I want to show you the transfer. So I made all of those off of referrals. And so you just hit the little wallet and boom, it shows you what you've done so far. So these have been off referrals. I haven't even used my card yet and started getting any cash back. And so you can either do a transfer funds or you could donate to a charity. I'll hit transfer funds because I want to transfer this over into my bank account. And as you see right here up top, TCF National Bank, that's my bank, that's my account right there. And I can go ahead and transfer these funds. So I'm going to transfer the $35. And you put that in and you hit transfer to bank account. All right. Transfer bank account. Would you like to transfer the $35 to TCF National Bank account? Once this money is transferred, it cannot be undone. So I hit OK because I do want to transfer. You see transferring happening. Transfer in progress. This progress can take 3 to 5 days to transfer to your bank. It is Sunday, so they normally give you that little bit of time frame, but I believe that it'll probably be in there instantly sometime tomorrow, which will be Monday. And so pretty much, you know, hit the little button, you got it. And there you go. I've decided to transfer $35 out of the DOSH app that I made on referrals. And as you see right here, it is 0 now. So I'm assuming that it's transferred over and it should be showing up probably tomorrow in my bank. So that's all I wanted to do real quick. We'll show you how to do a quick transfer off of DOSH, how you can make some money instantly. I made $35 and I'm putting it in my account. So I'll be doing some more videos on DOSH. Got a couple other little things I want to introduce to you about this app where you can really make money. So have a good day. Live long and prosper.